In this tutorial, we'll learn how to add a quick MCQ question to your interactive video. First, select the point in the video where you want to place your question. Click Add, then choose Question from the content type list. Enter the title for the interaction here. I'll name it Question 1. Next, enter the question text. This is a rich text editor, so you can add any content and format it as needed. Now add your answer options here. You must include at least 2 options. For each option, you can also provide specific feedback that will be displayed when learners select it. Check this box to mark the correct answer. Click this button to add another option. You can drag and drop the options to reorder them. Check this box if you want to shuffle the answer options. If this box is checked, the correct answer will be shown after learners mark the question as completed. Otherwise, learners can still interact with the question, but their score will not be recorded. Enter a hint here. The hint will appear below the answer options. Set the time limit in seconds here. If you check this box, the answer options will be hidden. Learners must click the Answer button to reveal the options and start the timer. By default, completion tracking is set to Answer. This means the interaction is marked complete when learners submit their response, regardless of whether it is correct. If you change this to Answer correctly, learners can retry the question until they select the correct answer. Set the XP value and configure the display option. In the advanced settings, you'll find 2 additional options. Here, you can define the timestamp learners should be redirected to if they answer incorrectly or score less than 50% correct. You can also set the timestamp for when learners answer correctly. If you set a duration, you may want to uncheck the dismissible box to prevent learners from closing the interaction and resetting the timer. Click Save Changes. Let's test this. At the top, you can see the timer. Here is the question text. Click here to toggle the hint. Click here to display the options. As you can see, the timer starts only after I click the Answer button. Click here to check the answer. The specific feedback appears below the selected option. Because I selected the wrong answer, I now have the option to return to the relevant video segment.
Smack in the middle of their national flag, and it's been there for more than
Let's switch to player mode.
And you know, its importance goes way beyond just its size.
Since I unchecked the dismissible box, I cannot close this question. The refresh button is also disabled while the timer is active. I'll now answer the question. The interaction is marked complete automatically when I submit my response, and the XP is updated accordingly.
You know, the story of this place...
When I revisit the question later, I can see the correct answer because I enabled the option to show it.
You know, the story of this place...
Now let's go to the report page. I can click on the title to preview the question. Here a check mark indicates a correct response. Otherwise, an X mark is displayed. Below that, you can see the XP earned. The popover shows the XP earned out of the total XP along with the selected option. I can also click on the cell to preview this specific response. And that's how you add a multiple choice question to your interactive video. Thanks for watching.